Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing East Riverine Boutique Hotel. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, family rooms, non-smoking rooms, restaurant, room service and a 24-hour front desk. Situated in Kuala Lumpur, 1.3 miles from Putra World Trade Centre, East Riverine Boutique Hotel features air-conditioned accommodation and a shared lounge. Among the facilities of this property are a restaurant, a 24-hour front desk and room service, along with free Wi-Fi throughout the property. The hotel has family rooms. At the hotel, rooms include a desk, a flat-screen TV, a private bathroom, bed linen and towels. At East Riverine Boutique Hotel, all rooms are equipped with a seating area. Continental and a la carte breakfast options are available each morning at the accommodation. Petronas Twin Towers is 1.6 miles from East Riverine Boutique Hotel, while Petrosains, the Discovery Centre, is 1.6 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Sultan Abdul Aziz Shah Airport, 17.4 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.